to verify if any metal in oil. Yep, I think there's like a little bit.
Customer said he thought he could fix it himself and made this absolute mess. The mechanic thinks they tried to use drywall mud.
God, yo. Oh, look at the subframe bolt. Oh, man. Oh, man. What'd this thing do? Piss off a Decepticon?
Customer states the engine just shut off while on the highway.
The piston laying sideways. Oh, Jesus.
Hey, real quick, can you just check my coolant? No problem, bro. I got you. Yeah, your car had that Taco Bell. Oh, yeah. Mud Butt 2026.
This car somehow drove in with the battery like this. And yes, those are chew marks from some rodent who really wanted to get a taste of the battery acid.
Of zip tying a bar of soap. This is a bar of soap onto an AC line. Here. What's the advantage of the bar of soap? Is there a trick I don't know about? Is this something that is practiced elsewhere? I gotta know. Like, what is the point?
That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it looks like. Not very smooth. And that's a bit as well.
This customer complained that the shop did a clutch on it last year, and while he doesn't drive it much, he can't shift it into reverse.
You know, Honda is so cool. They're so innovative. They got some really cool stuff going on. Like, look at this. You ever seen a two-piece rotor before? Yeah, that's a major innovation right there.
All right, guys. Make sure you pull your transfer case vent hose off before you remove your transfer case.
Customer states they're hearing a loud clanking noise when they drive. Who doesn't love getting free tools while on a job? Mechanic's co-worker just bought a used Jeep from a dealer who had apparently just replaced the camshafts. It started clattering and smoking 3 days later, and this was the oil that came out.
Science.
So I did you a favor, I put 1540 in there.
That's on. Jesus. What happened? Did you run over Big Bird? There. God.
The customer thought a warped rotor was causing this movement. Not quite, but thankfully they listened when told not to drive it, as those control arm bushings are shot.
Guys, this is brilliant. So I got a customer brought his car to me, said had it in another garage. In the other garage, it says the engine is dead. Horrible rattling noise. Let's hear it. If you can hear it, hold on. Yeah, true. There is a really horrible noise. Really horrible noise out top. Yeah, heat shield and a misfire. Oh God. Oh Lord.
Customer states they started hearing multiple noises, then the car started to shake, so they pulled over.
2006 Ford Ranger. Customer states I did plugs, wires, fuel filter, oxygen sensors, TPS sensor, outerwear control motor, what else? Injectors and some other. Keeps having a P0171 Bank 1 System 2 lean. Are y'all with me? Like, you can't be this serious. I'm at a loss of words.
Dumbest placement ever.
I don't know what the previous owner used when trying to deck the cylinder head, but it looks like they dragged it on the road.
So we had some misfires on this Captiva, so worn out plugs, coils with track marks. So we've done that. Misfire is still prevalent. Check the injectors for spray pattern. 2 of them are pretty crooked, so we replaced those. And then the misfire actually moves cylinders on us. We did a comp test and everything looked right. And it just occurred to me, I might take a fuel sample. I don't know, man. I don't know if that kind of looks like it's sugar. It's definitely like it's milky white. And this is like half a liter. And if you look at that, 80% of that is this foreign substance.
The owner of this car said their son's a mechanic and that he said nothing is wrong with the car.
Customer states, did my own brakes, calipers, pads, rotors, hoses. No hoses, I mean calipers, pads, rotors. Now I have no brake pedal. 4 out of 4. Every one of them's like that. Like, how do you get every single one of them wrong?
This is the mechanic's own diff after they started not only hearing some popping noises, but saw there was smoke coming out of it too.
So we're all complaining about the state of the roads at the minute, and unfortunately this is the condition of things when it goes wrong. Hit a big pothole, came in with a bit of a noise and a vibration. That thing's hanging off. Well done, nuts county council. I've undone that nut before you start. But yeah, that's broke.
Customer states, my engine makes a rattling noise and asked if Lucas Oil would fix it.
Ready.
Oh, look at that. I think so, yeah. Did it or did it suck it hot? No, it looked like it moved.
Somehow this tyre was still holding air. Customer went to do the oil change on the BMW they just bought, and I think we found out why the last seller got rid of it.
Hello everyone, got this older Ford Expedition Eddie Barter in customer states. Got brake noise plus slids on ice. Well, firstly, we noticed you got no brakes in the rear, because look at the hose right there. It's not even connected. And let me compare it to the other side. Let me see if I can get in here. Yep, there you go. So this one is connected right here, but as you can see over here, hold up, ain't got no brakes. And my technician told me they couldn't find the noise, but I went, as soon as I got out here this morning, I think that's your problem, my friend. It's cracked as hell. Don't know what happened. And here's what's crazy. The customer admitted it that they bought this from an auction like 2 days ago prior to bringing this into the shop. So it's gonna cost more money to get it fixed. And that's why I tell people, do not buy shitty ass cars from the auction unless you're willing to put money to fix it. Because, you know, it's gonna cost you more. Also bonus, got a gas leak over there. No wonder why I can smell gasoline. Yeah.
This Toyota Prius managed to drive in with the engine looking like this. Customer states, now that you mention it, the car does feel a bit loose when going around corners.
Customer states, radio does not work. Try doing a radio set. And replace radio, still another issue. Okay. Inspection found. Bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole. Through here, you see it right. There, bullet hole. Another one. Bullet. Then, bullet hole, another one. Found this. Well, it banked off that little bit right there. Straight up with the dash lines. I got another bullet hole right here. It's obviously two different colors, so this has been replaced. This whole dash. Yeah. More damage. Windshield breaking. Windshield's been replaced. Bullets.